I can't wait to make me some eggies. Now, first I gotta get the eggs because I don't have any right now, so just gotta walk over to the fridge and what's that noise? Where'd the lights go? Okay, I guess we'll just be cooking in the dark. Man, a lot of abnormal activities going on right now. Oh well, I just gotta get an egg and throw it into the pan and... Alright, now we got the egg in there, and... Wait, I forgot to put in my Italian voice. Oops. I didn't really mean to crack the yolk, but that's alright. I mean, hard yolk is better than runny yolk, isn't it? Yeah, totally, yeah. Alright, now we got to cook the egg. Cook that, Daniel. Cook. Alakazam. I did something there. Cook. I can see the white forming. Shut up, cat. I said shut up. Oh, crap, I need a spatula. Oh, here it is. Perfect. It is on the high. It should be cooking better. I don't hear the sizzle. I'm hearing the sizzly now. Maybe I should have flipped it. Nah. Alright, time for an actual fry cooking action. It's spatula time! I don't know how to use a spatula. I'll figure out how to use a spatula. Whoops! Oh dear. I seem to fold the egg. Oh no. I can hear the screams of egg torture. Man, I'm making an omelet here. I accidentally folded the egg. Oh no. I can't unfold it. Unfold, God dang you. Unfold. I command you to unfold. Unfold. Oh no. Alright. Flip. That time I didn't fold the egg. Oh, my eye! The egg popped into my eye. Okay, I guess it's time to turn this down to low. Alright, this seems perfect now, and now I just need to get to my plate. Alright, now the plate should be down here. There it is. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, now to turn the oven off. It's still on. Oh well. Oh dear. That don't look good. Oh well, still looks appetizing. Come here. Alright, now our egg might be burnt, but it still looks good. Okay, time to try it. Oh, mamma mia, that's a boiling. Oh yeah, I see the problem. We didn't add any salt or pepper. Alright, I've added the salt and the pepper. Now time to try it again. That was horrible. Anyways, tune in next time for episode 2 of Cooking with Freddy. Please don't. Wait, you actually put that in? I said you put the purpose and terrible in? Oh, did I say it was terrible? I meant it was... egglicious. Yeah. Yeah. Please don't put that in, please.